Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. New research says hippos can fly briefly. At least 41% of the moon is always hidden from the earth. Werewolf cats look unusual due to the result of a genetic mutation. Someone who drives a train is referred to as an engineer. Glaciers can cut through mountains with ease. A space elevator will have to be stretched out 35,000 km to function. Cusco, the ancient capital of the Incan Empire, literally means belly button because the Incas thought their capital to be the belly button of the world. Inhaling pure oxygen is toxic for humans. Green tea, black tea, and oolong tea all comes from the same plant. The only difference is the oxidization level of the leaves. Early telephones were disguised as dolls to hide its ugliness. Psychology researchers found that pressure to feel upbeat can make you feel downbeat. Embracing your darker moods can make you feel better in the long run. After tea and water, concrete is the most widely used substance on earth. The majority of audience members on Judge Judy are paid actors, and to attend a filming of the show, the actors need to be a member of the Screen Actors Guild. The first pharmacy in the world was established in 754 in Baghdad. T-Rexes could not roar as most people think. Instead, it did something called closed-mouth vocalization, where it made low-frequency booming sounds that could travel for miles. A photo worth 1,000 words.
Our tip of the tongue has a unique physiological texture and geometric shape that can possibly be used for verification purposes.
Tuesdays at 3 p.m. 6 weeks before your flight is the absolute cheapest time those tickets will ever be. According to some researchers, life on Earth may have evolved in clay and could have been a breeding ground for DNA. The first mother-daughter pair in history to fly a SkyWest Airlines flight. New bridge in China is so massive it broke 10 world records at the same time. There is a monument in Georgia which gives instruction in 8 languages on how to rebuild society after an unknown apocalyptic event whilst also functioning as a compass, calendar and clock. Sleep early and wake up early because the morning hours are very beneficial. Having spent $5,000 19 years ago on a lychee tree from China, this farmer has successfully bred seedless lychees from it. On 19th century aristocrat the Duke of Portland was so shy that he built a 15-mile long labyrinth of tunnels under his home so that he could avoid his staff. Hopefully, a newborn girl from Britain becomes world's youngest organ donor. She lived for 74 minutes only but saved the life of a 20-year-old girl by donating kidney and liver cells. Since 1988, a dog breeder was been working on the dire wolf project. The goal is creating a breed of loving companion dog that resembles a prehistoric dire wolf. They are enormous, scary, shaggy, and by all accounts, terribly sweet. Wheelchair athletes with spinal injuries will sometimes intentionally injure themselves on the lower body, causing their bodies to respond by raising blood pressure and enhancing their performance. This practice has been banned as cheating. According to the panspermia theory, life did not actually begin on Earth, it was brought to Earth by asteroids and meteors. If you pass a marine sponge through a sieve to break apart its cells, the cells will recognize each other and reform into new small sponges. They are the only animals that can resemble themselves after being broken down to the level of their cells. In 1850, Mendeleev walked almost 1,000 miles to Moscow so he could apply for the University of Moscow. Although he was not accepted, he walked to St. Petersburg where he was accepted, and with that education, he developed the periodic table of the elements. Since electricity can produce sugar and amino acids from simple atmospheric elements, it could have caused the origin of life. There are so many street dogs in Moscow that have become very clever at finding food. They use the smallest, cutest members of their packs to beg. They sneak up behind people who are eating and bark to make them drop their food, and they ride trains into the city to find food. Kevin Smith actually worked at the convenience store in Clerks. He worked all day and they filmed all night for 21 straight days. He slept 1 hour a day during filming. The whole production cost $27,000, funded by maxing out credit cards and selling his comic books. Attention, stay safe from this jewelry scam. Many jeweler shops scam you by charging you more price than its real price. But how to calculate the exact value of gold? First of all, know the current price of gold in your city and do the following calculations. Let's assume the price of gold is 70,000 for 10 grams. Price of gold divided by 999 and then multiplied by the number given on the gold. The total amount will be the value payable of gold. GST and making charges are applied separately. Thanks for watching.